Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins me now. We have a lot to get to here, Scott. Fresh week, but wow. Let's talk about the broader market. Now, we had some relief in the market recently.
Wow. I mean, what a big rip up we saw. And you know, the market was expecting some news coming out of the tariff talks, and that's what we got, was some news. And so we saw big movements last week. However, there's still a lot to be done here. So I think it's cautious optimism in the marketplace right now. And this week we have earnings starting in earnest.
That's right. And you mentioned on the show last time you were here about your feeling with the spiders. You were taking a downside put position.
Yes.
Or are you sticking with that?
I actually am, and certainly that's gone against me at this point right now. But that's why we trade options, because your positions are defined, right? Your risk is defined. So, you know, I'm still looking for, you know, the tariff squabble here to extend out a little bit. This spider position we talked about is still a month away.
All right, so are you going to stick with it, double down? What do you think?
I'm looking to buy more.
You're doubling down on that trade.
I am looking to buy more here.
All right, let's take a look at the Russell 2000. A big move on Friday in this as well. So
yes,
a lot of people were concerned about the death cross, but what do you think here now?
So huge move up, like you said, right to that 1520, 1525 area, which is the 200-day moving average. The 50 and the 200 really came together, which, you know, was that death cross. So from here, I don't know whether we're going up or down, but typically when we get to that spot here, you do see a big move. And with that move higher that we saw last week, Angie, volatility also went up. That is not typical of what we see in an upside market.
Well, last but not least, let's get to your trade of the day. And you're taking us to the bond market.
Yes, along with the big rally in the equity market, we saw a big sell-off in bonds and interest rates rising. So I'm looking at the TLT, which is an ETF for the 20-year bond here. And that just got absolutely annihilated last week. I really like an upside play here. An upside play in TLT, meaning it's a little bit of a risk-off trade, meaning that people will start coming back into the bond market, rates will start coming back down. So I'm looking at buying the November 15th 143, 146 call spread on the upside. I can do that for about 65 or 70 cents. Great reward to risk, and all this will take is one headline that maybe the tariff issue, you know, is not what they said it was last week, or one tweet, and we're going to see everybody flooding back into bonds again.
It's exciting. Thanks so much for being with us today.
Of course.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.